Hello guys, Game Changers back again, showing you how to split screen on your iOS device. No jailbreak or PC needed for this method. So I hope you enjoy. Let's get into it. So guys, as I said, I am back. I will be uploading more frequently again as of now. So in this video I am showing you how to split screen your iPhone using this app, which is absolutely free, 100% free on the App Store. You can use two different websites at the exact same time. I know it might be a bit misleading, the title, but it is a split screen app, so it does work. You can use YouTube and Twitter if you can get YouTube to work. As you can see, I do have a bit of problem in this video as I can't get it to open the website version. But there is a link to the website version, so that should work for you guys if you want to do that. Other than that, you can open Twitter, Facebook, Twitch, you know, anything you really want to watch. So that's pretty much it. Do what I do in the video to go and get it. Link will be down in the description below. And I hope you enjoy the video. Don't forget to comment, subscribe and like if you do. And I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.
I'm living things I dreamed about, I still encounter it. It ain't something that a cigarette or alcohol can fix, but all because of it, I flipped it quick, went on to write some hits. This a success, off another breath. This the first step in searching to be nothing less than be the best in what you do to prove their strength in being you. Learn so much in chasing dreams that I never would in school. Depends on where your passion lie, just no passion never lie. Life presents distractions, but your actions have to fortify the things that you believe in. Have to scream it like a battle cry and leave the ones who didn't looking stupid while they're asking why. Couldn't lie, I really do this for the ones I love. Those who treat the music as a vice and lyrics like a drug. Those who need advice on how to lift their spirit high enough to break out of the box they make up lives they know aren't good enough. Just because it's how it is don't mean it's how it has to be. This is what the uninspired testifiers fail to see. Jealousy results from being that which others fail to be. And if it means you're not with me, that honestly sounds fair to me.
I do this for my father, who I've only seen from time to time in my dreams. I do this for you. I do this for my mother, who's finally clean, no longer a fan. I do this for you. I do this for my sister, my wife and my kids, cause they part of the team. I do this for all the naysayers and haters who made me one of the greatest. I know it kills you inside, that's why I do this for you.
Do this for my mother, she'll be working for the summer. Do this for my father, cause these days I often wonder what my life would have been like if I was not adopted. To grow up in a home where I was treated like a problem. I don't know, it's just a guess. Your guess probably good as mine. Lucky that I grew up in a home that wanted me to